Dear brother and sister, good morning everybody. Now I am talking our college many side in front of you. I would like to introduce our college education system. Today I am very happy because our college is HHC Center, Honors Center. So every employee is very proud feel this college center. What? I work this college office. Our college is best college in Gulshan and Bonani, capital city. Our college established 1987. That time from to till now, HSC program, Science, Arts and Commerce, and under National University degree pass course, BA, BSS and BBS. Under National University, 7 subjects running now. This subject, accounting, management, Bengali, economics, political science, English, and marketing. Totally 7 subjects running now. Our college result is very good. Our college teachers is very ideal and polite. Our college is the best college, capital city in Gulshan and Bonani. Today I am very happy because our college after 1 year, honors 4th year exam held today. There are 3 study center students coming this today.